Today I am going to be making for the first time elderberry syrup. A ton of you were telling me about elderberry syrup. So I went to Whole Foods and this lady gave me this amazing recipe, adapting it and changing a few things, and found some recipes online, and I'm creating my own. The recipe calls for 3/4 cup elderberries. You can find these on Amazon and you can find these at Good Earth. Then you're gonna need 3 cups water, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 cup of raw honey. And I've also seen recipes where they also add apple cider vinegar. It is optional, and you could put 2/3 cup. One of the ingredients that I'm adding in is eucalyptus. It's supposed to be really good for your respiratory, so I decided let's throw it in there. So I added a tablespoon of the eucalyptus. So I added my water to the pot and I brought it to a boil. Once it started boiling, I changed it to a simmer. I added my berries in and then all my seasonings. If you have fresh elderberries, use 1 cup. Now I went online and looked up some recipes, and one was very similar to this one. I'll leave the blog down below. Let's talk about the dosage. I have seen different dosages everywhere that I looked about elderberry syrup. So the standard dose for cold and flu prevention that I've been seeing is anywhere from a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half for kids, and anywhere from 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons for adults daily. And the lady at Good Earth was saying to me, take it about every 3 to 4 hours. But a disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional. You know, do your own research. But this is what I've learned, and this is what we are doing right now. But it's always good to talk to your doctor. This can stay in your refrigerator up to 3 months. You're gonna stir this occasionally until the liquid is reduced by half. Now this could take up to 45 minutes. Mine was not even 40 minutes. You're going to strain the liquid into a bowl and discard the elderberries. Use a very fine strainer. Then you're gonna mix in your honey, and then if you wanna do the apple cider vinegar, go for it, add it at this point. And there you have it, elderberry syrup. You can also do this in the crock pot, and it could take up to 4 hours in the crock pot on low. I would love to know if you have made elderberry syrup. What do you like? What tips, tricks, ingredients, all of that.